Hello everyone, I'm Vikas Iyer. I'm enrolled for Certificate in Tourism Studies online program for January 2020 session. The topic of my dissertation as a part of the program is study of tourist arrivals in Kanha and Bandhavgarh tiger reserves in Madhya Pradesh. Let's start with a brief introduction of these tiger reserves in Madhya Pradesh. Kanha National Park is situated in Mandla district of Madhya Pradesh with a total area of 940 square kilometers. It was declared a national park on 1st June 1955 and was designated a tiger reserve in 1973. This park has a significant population of Royal Bengal tigers, Indian leopards, sloth bears, Barasinghas and Indian wild dogs. Whereas Bandhavgarh National Park is situated in Umaria district of Madhya Pradesh with an area of 449 square kilometers. It was declared a national park in 1968 and became a tiger reserve in 1993. This park has a large biodiversity. It has 37 species of mammals, more than 250 species of birds, and about 80 species of butterflies. There are 9 national parks in Madhya Pradesh, out of which 6 are tiger reserves. Both of these tiger reserves are easily accessible by road, rail and air transport. The method of study used for dissertation is the secondary data collected from various reliable sources from internet and Madhya Pradesh and Government of India tourism websites. Wildlife tourism picked up in Madhya Pradesh in the year 2003 and 4 and reached its peak in the year 2011 and 12, as tiger sighting is the number one interest for tourists, followed by other wildlife activities. The peak season for wildlife tourism in Madhya Pradesh is from October to May. Tiger reserves are mostly dominated by domestic tourists, where about 80.5% of domestic tourists have visited tiger reserves in Madhya Pradesh, whereas a total of 19.5% of international tourists have visited these tiger reserves in Madhya Pradesh. While 91% of domestic tourists have stayed in budget lodges, whereas international tourists have opted to stay in equal proportion of budget as well as high-end lodges near these tiger reserves. United Kingdom accounted for the highest number of international tourist visits in Madhya Pradesh, followed by United States of America. Most of the domestic tourists were from different parts of Madhya Pradesh, as many tourists are weekend visitors, followed by tourists from Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Now let us look at the tourist arrivals in Madhya Pradesh in the year 2000 and 2001. There were around 5 million domestic tourists and 110,000 international tourists arrivals in Madhya Pradesh. Domestic tourists contributed to 97.8% of total tourist arrivals in Madhya Pradesh, whereas 2.13% of international tourists contributed to total tourist arrivals in Madhya Pradesh in the year 2000 and 2001. The number of tourist arrivals in tiger reserves in Bandhavgarh and Kanha for the year 2000 and 2001 are as follows. In Bandhavgarh, the domestic tourist arrival were close to 11,000 tourists, whereas international tourists were close to 2,300, and in Kanha, domestic tourist arrivals were close to 43,900 and international tourist arrival were 2,700. In the year 2010 and 11, domestic tourist arrivals in Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve were 12,301 and international tourist arrivals were 2,044. Whereas in Kanha, Domestic tourist arrivals were 54,913 and international tourist arrivals were 1,679. The projected tourist arrivals from 2012 to 2021 in Bandhavgarh and Kanha Tiger Reserves are as follows. Now, let us look at the compounded annual growth rate of tourist traffic in these tiger reserves. From the year 1990-1991 to 2000 to 2001, in Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, there was a decline in domestic tourist arrival. It was minus 0.60%, whereas there was a growth in international tourist arrivals, which showed at the rate of 13.4%. And the total growth recorded was 0.09%. In Kanha Tiger Reserve, there was a hike in tourist arrivals in domestic as well as international tourist arrivals. Domestic tourist arrivals growth rate was 4.05%, whereas international tourist arrivals growth rate was 1.84%, making it to the total growth rate of 3.98%. From the year 2011-12 to 2020-21, the compounded annual growth rate of tourist traffic in Bandhavgarh, for domestic tourists it is 1.35%, for international tourists it is 6.28%, total growth rate is 2.23%, whereas in Kanha Tiger Reserve, for domestic as well as international tourists, the growth rate is projected at 2.70%. These statistics explain that Kanha Tiger Reserve has more tourist arrivals, domestic as well as international, than Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. The reason could be as the infrastructure in Kanha Tiger Reserve is more developed than Bandhavgarh. Since Kanha is in closer proximity to Jabalpur and Nagpur airport, international tourist arrivals are higher than of tourist arrivals in Bandhavgarh. Tiger site, which is number one interest in the list of tourists, has resulted in more tourist arrivals in Kanha than Bandhavgarh, because Kanha has at present around 500 tigers, whereas Bandhavgarh has roughly 22 tigers. As we have seen the statistics of tourist arrivals in these two tiger reserves, the Tourism Department of Madhya Pradesh government should persuade airlines to start services between Tier 1 cities in India to Khajuraho via Jaipur and Jabalpur via Delhi and Mumbai and other major metro cities of India. The Tourism Department should also mark Madhya Pradesh as a jungle state since it is the biggest forest state of the country. They should also focus on increasing duration of stay of foreign tourists by including and promoting other nearby tourist attractions such as Bedaghat waterfalls in Jabalpur, forts in and around 100 kilometers radius of Bandhavgarh. They can also increase display and stimulate sales of handicrafts, souvenirs, novelty items of tribal crafts to increase tourist spending. The government of Madhya Pradesh could also introduce tours covering its prime forests with wildlife and introduce safari packages of Pench, Kanha, Bandhavgarh national parks. They can also market package tours of different durations for tourists originating from Delhi, UP and Chhattisgarh and other major tourist giving states of India. They should market Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve as a weekend wildlife tourism spot for residents of nearby cities, which is Jabalpur, Nagpur and Raipur. The Tourism Department, Government of Madhya Pradesh, can also market Madhya Pradesh to the film industry and attract film shootings at these tiger reserves of Madhya Pradesh, which would not only advertise but would attract more tourists. If these major suggestions are implemented in phased manner, it will definitely give boost to wildlife tourism in Madhya Pradesh and hence increase tourist arrivals and tourism receipts for the state. I would like to thank all the professors and the course coordinator, Dr. Paramita, who have guided me in preparing this dissertation. Thank you.